everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Android autocomplete not working on Samsung Galaxy. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is make sure that autocomplete settings are enabled. For that, head over to any typing place and then head over to settings of your keyboard. Once you're inside settings, what you'll have to do is make sure that predictive text is enabled and also auto spell check is also enabled on your device. You can also head over to auto replace and then you can turn on auto replace as well inside your keyboard settings for your language. If the issue still persists, what you can do is head over to quick settings, head over to settings, tap on apps, tap on the three dots, tap on Samsung apps. You may be able to find your Samsung keyboard over here, or you may be able to find your Samsung keyboard inside your general apps. Head over to search for keyboard, tap on Samsung keyboard, scroll down, hit storage and cache, clear the cache for Samsung keyboard, head over to your quick settings, restart your device and see if that solves the problem. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.